Patsy, girl, are you that? I can't believe you're pregnant again in a damn hard time, yeah? In a Jamaica? Then somebody can really get pregnant in a Jamaica in a damn time, yeah? When things so hard? In Patsy? And it's not even like, say, a 2 pitney you have already, a whole of 4. And you got pregnant again, Patsy? Eh? And your baby father not even now work? Eh, Patsy? Patsy? And a little factory work you do? Jesus Christ, you know we could do yourself, boy, you know, man. You know, wicked to yourself. So let me ask you one question, Patsy. Them don't have prevention down a clinic anymore. Eh? Family planning not their clinic. Patsy, it look like you don't see the time where we live in. Eh? The little money now go nowhere. Patsy, and I said, like I said, me a fasting in your business, you know, Patsy. But Patsy, when me look it all over, but you have 1 and 2, but you have 4 already and got pregnant again, Patsy? No, man. And you wouldn't even tell the man to get up off and rump and go find something to do? Yeah? So let me ask now, when it come down to time for you have the baby and can't go and work, how you go manage? Oh, so you go sit down and depend on your family, them overseas, to send something come to your Patsy. Patsy, you see the predicament where you find yourself into, Patsy? Eh? But let I leave it at that because it's not my business. I am only your cousin. So I don't know how I get into your family business. Let me leave it at that because people no mind when people talk to you, no cuss and carry on and behave bad. Patricia? Patricia, the way how you are ranting a while ago over my pregnancy. It would have believed, say, are you pregnant? And are your burden? You never hear yet who drink them rum, standing drunk. Be ever pregnant yet and come out no place, come molest you know, and beg you know anything and trouble you know? The 4 pitney them when me have, may ever be a problem to any who know in the family for the 4 children them when me have? Listen to me. Don't get into my business, me and Wilton business. This is between me and Wilton. And you well know say, Wilton me and I work at daytime, but he go out on the road at night time go run like a robot with it car where we have. Listen now, the time you take for your fasting and my business, you would have try see if you can get one picnic for yourself. Because you're not going to take up none of my own them and send go a shop. And none of them now come over, they can't do nothing at all for you over the yard there. So me don't know how you get into me and my picnic them business. Suppose me want pregnant again, oh, that come to be your business. Listen to me now. In the next 2 months, me will be giving birth. And furthermore, sorry to say, if you never hear, A twin me I have this time. So make it hurt you. Make your back bust, make your belly bust. Because a twin me I have this time. Twin! Yes. It's sweet me. Yes. Come out of my business. Fast you fast. Because you don't have any. You da go find one man and see if you can get one. And come out of people business. And leave people business alone. Fast you fast. Oh. Look how me look good with my pregnancy. Look how me look good. And me pregnancy fit. Watch that. Look how me look good. Nice and clean. Look good. And me pregnancy fit. Every year me feel pregnant. Look how me look good. Bouncing. Bounceous. Come out of my business. Clear off. No fast, not family business too much. Oh. Nobody now come over your yard come beg you nothing. No, me don't know nothing about birth control. Oh. My baby father not like use birth control. And the Lord put us here to multiply. Come out of our business. Oh. I want taxi me there wait pan for come go down a clinic. I don't know where you are come from. Because I don't like say me and you used to hop in at things. So I know you come and fast in my business. Oh. Patsy, I know fast me in your business, you know. I know fast me in your business, Patsy. And it's not like say I'm pregnant, me can't pregnant. But me know in a baby father business. Any man a pregnant me, must be married to me. Oh, and have somewhere decent for put me. And where you take this thing for? Before me not find somebody for married to me. And make me into a wife before baby come. I go back to God just as how I come here. Think me I make man sit down with me 20 years in a common law situation? No, not at all. Not at all. Married me I deal with. Oh. Me's a very strict woman. Strict. I don't care what no one say about me. Oh. You can't talk all you no want say me not have no man. And if you go get picnic. Me age not come off a calendar yet. Oh, me still can't get pregnant. And if me no find husband, me leave pregnancy business. Come in a baby father business, string load of picnic behind me. String load of picnic behind me. Me no a string load of picnic behind me baby father business. Me have to run up and down baby father, yes, a baby father, there's a baby father, now mind picnic. Me no depend them, there's something they Patsy. So Patsy, you can't say anything what you want to say about me. Oh. You are right in your situation. You're depraved and deprived situation. But I am not into those type of things, Patsy. Oh. Me have to think about my career and my future. Oh, you think me sit down and just make man come take me up and breed me up, and left me, Me have to run back at them for pick me maintenance. For them disrespect me. No, me not depend that. Me not depend that. Oh. Me? You know how much money my parents take and send me go to university? And me come out with me big degree them? I'm a big job now. And if you just take up any little wishy-washy man if you come pregnant me and turn me in a baby mother. Me not depend baby mother situation. Patsy, me not depend baby mother situation. Me not depend it. Oh. A wife situation me depend. Oh. I don't care what you want to say. You can continue living at your baby mother situation. Lucky. Not to mention them here nowadays, man. Them here nowadays, man. Eh? And me, if you go take them up and I live baby mother situation with them. Not at all. Not at all. Oh. Me a woman of caliber. Oh. A wife situation me depend. Bright. I don't care what you want to say about me. Clear off. And leave me alone. Oh, please to like, subscribe, and share. So I can be an actor, okay?